Hello again, it's Mr. RG Stuff here. I just wanted to do a very quick video of this gramophone horn as it's out of the machine, and you may not have seen one quite like this before. Now, you may be aware that Victor in America and HMV in the UK use many of the same parts, components, patents, etc. as they were connected companies. However, there were some divergences, and this is one of them. Now, this is a horn from a HMV machine. It's a 162 from the late, sort of mid to late 1920s, around about 1927. And this is what is known as a sax horn because it looks like a saxophone. Now, Victor didn't use horns like this. Victor went to what was known as the orthophonic horn. However, apparently HMV were reluctant to pay the license fees for it, so they found another solution and went for this sort of horn, which had apparently been around for a while, but nobody had really picked it up. And the reason that they needed a new horn was this was all to do with the introduction of electric recording. So new horns, new sound boxes, basically new ranges of gramophones to pick up and make best use of the electric records or electric recording records which were becoming available. So these horns did actually work quite well. However, they weren't popular, and actually HMV moved over to their own version of the orthophonic horn only a year or so after introducing them. So by about 1928 they had their re-entrant horn, which was basically a metal version of the Victor orthophonic one. So anyway, this is the horn out of my HMV 162. There's nothing really wrong with it, to be honest. The only reason I pulled it out of the machine was to clean it, because there was loads of grease and stuff down there. However, you may notice, in fact it was on the back as well, you may notice that there's some paint missing, and what I found was that when I took the grease off, just wiped it off, the paint came off as well. So really the horn needs to be completely stripped down and repainted, but I just can't do that at the minute. I don't have the facilities to do that. The horn's not really going to be visible at all when it's in the machine, except for actually in there. So you'll be able to see this bit of the horn through the grille with the volume doors open. It's not great. It really needs a bit of a repaint, but it's just going to have to do for the minute. So essentially, I've not been able to sort this out as much as I would have liked to have done, but it does give me the opportunity to clean the rest of the machine because this is no longer in the way. So anyway, I'm just going to put it back in the machine and carry on. Okay, well that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff. Thank you.